Hello, welcome back to the channel. Firstly, I'd like to say welcome to all the new subscribers. Thank you for joining. Today we have something a little bit different. Here I have a BMW E30 header tank. Now you're probably thinking, well, why does he have a BMW header tank? He doesn't own a BMW. No, you'll have to stay tuned for a later video to find out why I have this. But today we're going to try and clean it up a little bit. So I've taped up all the outlets, so hopefully no water will come out. Okay, just use the glove. So firstly, I'm going to put some rice, just normal basmati rice, in here. Don't tell the missus. Alright. Hopefully that goes down. Yeah, that's kind of mixed around a bit. Next, we're going to put in a dishwasher tablet. This only just fits in. And then some hot water. Then we're going to get a kettle. I'm going to pour in some hot water, not boiling, just hot. Put the cap on. And then, oh, got a leak already. It's not a good sign. I'm going to burn myself. Give it a bit of a shake. Got lots of leaks. Put this over the sink. Right, put a bit more water in here because there's not a lot in there. A bit of a leak there. Even cleaner. Look. Right. So I've got my sink up. a little bit cleaner. Still needs a lot more on the top. So I'm going to let that soak for a bit, and then we'll try it again, and maybe put it in the dishwasher. So I've just put another dishwasher tablet in there and some boiling water, and I'm just going to leave that for a few hours. It's bubbling away nicely, and we'll come back to it and see if it's helped. I'm trying to get this top bit a lot cleaner. I can't really turn it upside down because it just leaks out, but the bottom bit, as you can see, is a lot cleaner. But let's give it a couple of hours and see what it looks like then. So this has been soaking all night. It's a bit better on the bottom, but Joey's got a plan to do something better. So put a bit of bicarb soda in there. Oh, there's more bicarb? Mm-hmm. More bicarb. We have some Heinz, other makes are available. Distilled malt vinegar.
White vinegar.
White vinegar. Well, I'll put the cap on, and you can see it bubbling in there, look. Nice chemical reaction. Oh, there we go, look. So I'll put the lid on and leave it for a bit and see how we go. Here is the latest on the header tank that we were trying to clean. As you can see, the bottom is quite clean now. There's a few bits in there, but the top is still quite dirty, and it's actually a different texture. This is quite smooth and slippery. This is kind of textured. You can see here that it's still got some scuzz in there, but if you compare it to how it was up here, then it's a lot better. So we've got one more thing to try. So I purchased some oxalic acid, so we're going to soak it in that for 24 hours and see if that makes it any bit better. Stay tuned. Don't think that made much difference. Back to my header tank. This has now just come out the dishwasher. So let's have a look how clean it is. Not too bad. Well, I think the results are pretty good. This is a genuine video. I didn't just purchase another bottle like some of the other videos on YouTube. If you're a petrolhead like me, or you like doing a bit of DIY, then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.